Want to make the fluffiest pancakes of your life even if you've never cooked before? Stick around, and I'll show you a no-fail recipe in just minutes. Hi, I'm Bella, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making super fluffy pancakes using basic ingredients and easy steps, perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You'll also need a bowl, a whisk, and a non-stick pan. Step 1. In a large bowl, mix your dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Step 2. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Step 3. Now combine the wet and dry ingredients. Stir gently, don't overmix. Some lumps are okay. Step 4. Heat your non-stick pan over medium heat and lightly grease it with butter or oil. Step 5. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Wait until you see bubbles forming on the surface, then flip. Step 6. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. And there you have it, beautiful, fluffy pancakes that are soft, golden, and delicious. Tip: let the batter rest for 5 minutes before cooking to make them even fluffier. Want to switch things up? Add chocolate chips or blueberries before flipping. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy recipes, and let me know in the comments how your pancakes turned out. See you next time.